volume of spike protein installed in the body from the virus versus these products?
The
Is it
current
is
way
it
is
like this
indirect.
to this? The product's this much spike protein. This is how much spike protein you give it the virus.
Yeah,
The basic
that's
visuals.
pretty accurate. First off, let me say that Bruce Patterson, who's a pathologist who runs Incel DX, has contributed greatly on this, and I want to credit him, former academic pathologist at Stanford in Northwestern. But Bruce has shown after severe infection, the S1 segment, the outer segment of the spike protein, is in human cells up to 15 months. That's as long as he measured it. They may be in the body forever because the protein is very unnatural. It comes out of the Wuhan Institute of Virology, the Chinese biological laboratory, and the protein looks like it's not broken down by human enzymes. So Bruce Patterson showed that, published it. Then now he's published with the vaccine, one gets the full length spike protein, the S1 and the S2 segment, because there's no mucosal defense to in a sense, have receptor mediated catabolism of the spike protein. And now, clinically, what we do is we indirectly assess the spike protein by measuring the antibodies. So, with the LabCorp extended range assay, which I use in my practice, for someone who just had the infection, the relative units could be 100, 200, 300, maybe 400, 600 at the most. With the vaccine, David, the numbers coming out like 20,000,
That's just for the
22,000.
first dose, the original
Yeah,
classic.
that's just with the first primary series, then with each booster. Then a paper just broke the last few months by Brogna and colleagues. Two more supportive papers have shown this, that people who take the vaccine, David, they have vaccine spike protein, which can be identified by mass spec because it's the full length spike protein. And Moderna and Pfizer decided to insert two proline residues to hold it open in the pre-fusion conformation. This is like a protein that's like a spear, and it circulates in the bloodstream and been found in these studies to be in the bloodstream, David, 6 months after the shots. So
Mm,
you take a shot, you have this protein, this
mm,
very dangerous and potentially lethal protein circulating in the blood for 6 months. Then you take another shot, and
mm.
then you get a booster of more of this circulatory protein. No wonder people are having heart attacks, cardiac arrests, blood clots, brain damage, stroke, because this protein is not supposed to be in the blood, and there it is.
These proteins sound pretty nasty, but